Hello and welcome to you wherever you are. This is Matt from the Arribatec Training Centre. Welcome to this free YouTube playlist where we look at a variety of methods for uploading data into Unit4 ERP, formerly Aggresso. First, we will be looking at the simple copy and paste method. This method can only be carried out in the desktop environment, unfortunately, as you are unable to paste data into tables in web. But a lot of people still use desktop, and so it's still very much a valid option. So here is part 1 of 2, where we'll be looking at how to paste attribute value data into the system. I hope you find it useful. Let's go. An option that shouldn't be underestimated in the system is the good old copy and paste. In this example, we're going to be migrating data into the attribute values screen from Excel, namely some city attribute values. To start off, open up the attribute values screen and enter at least one line of data so that you can have the formatting there available to you of your values. Next, click the blank corner box to highlight all values and headers, and then click on Copy. Control-C or Edit Copy from the toolbar. Open a blank Excel workbook and paste into A1 the values you just copied. Now it's a simple process of adding extra lines. Here I'm going to paste in some values that I've already prepared, so 4 more cities, and I'm going to copy down any other values that are going to be the same for all lines. Making sure to hold down Control so I don't copy down and increase any numbers. Once you have those values, simply copy the new values, so in here it's from row 3 down to row 6, and again copy. If we now take it back into Unit4 ERP, we can insert some new rows into our attribute values table. By default, it will paste in 10 rows every time you hit the Insert Row button. But if you need to paste in more than 10 rows at a time, you can go to File, Options, and then change that default number from 10 to whatever you need. To complete the pasting, simply double-click into the first available cell and then hit Ctrl-V or Edit Paste. Once pasted, you will need to tab across each row so that all lines get properly completed. Once you have tabbed across all rows into the next blank row, click Save or F12 and then press F7 or Find to see your new values.